it's Natural 85 Whitney. Like, she knows what she's doing. She's been through the process. She understands. You guys know what I'm saying? She's not just one of those companies that's going to try to capitalize off of the natural hair trend. No, she's been doing this. So when someone like this comes out with a product line, I have to support. A black owned business, I have to support.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now before I get into the hair, I just want to thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. I have reached another milestone, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you guys so much for the likes, the shares, the comments, just everything. Just thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys, and I thank you for riding with me through this journey, and I hope that you guys stay with me in this journey as I continue to grow and as I share more hair, makeup, etc, etc. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, all right, now let's get to the hair. If you guys are not familiar with Whitney, her name is Natural 85 here on YouTube. She came out with some bomb products, and they're called Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream and also an oil. I had to get my hands on these products because I did hear some great reviews on these two, but I wanted to see would this work on my 4C kinky hair. All right, so if you guys want to see exactly what I did to achieve this bomb twisting curl hairstyle and also some of my thoughts on these two products, keep on watching. Before we get into the styling, I just wanted to show you guys how I separated my hair. Just 5 little sections here. Let me show you guys the back. Your parts do not have to be straight. Mine are never straight, okay? This is freshly washed hair, and I did go in and lightly blow dry my hair on cool setting. I didn't want it to be too straight, but I also didn't want it to be too shrunken because I want the curls to drop a little bit, like drop going forward, and you'll see, okay? This is the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. All right, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehyd. Okay, bear with me, I don't know how to pronounce these words, and no Pilates, okay, yeah, and it's made with shea butter and natural oils. And the instructions just says to use as little or as much as needed. Massage styling cream into wet or dry hair, one section at a time, and style as desired. Use with your favorite leave-in conditioner. I've already applied my leave-in conditioner, and today I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner, the shea butter leave-in repair cream. And now I also purchased the oil. I don't know if I want to use the oil before or after the styling product. You know what, I'm gonna apply the styling product, and then I'm going to go ahead with the oil on top of that to seal it. And this is a multi-use pure oil blend. Same thing, no silicones, no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, no Pilates. Okay, yeah, all right. And it says a little bit goes a long way. It's supposed to help to soften, detangle hair, and also to seal moisture in your hair. Okay. Surprisingly, this does not have a scent to it. I don't know why I thought I was gonna like smell like shea butter. And okay, so if you have a sensitive nose and you don't like products that have a scent to it, I think you'll definitely like this. I personally like my products to have, you know, a nice little scent to it, but it's okay. It won't make or break my decision of using this. So yeah, guys, here's my dilemma. I don't know if I have enough of these, so I have the smallest one, which is gray. I have a purple one, and then the bigger size orange. I don't think I have enough. I don't know where these things went. I don't know. I purchased some a while back, and I can't find all of them. So I'm gonna make this work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work in the front section first, and if I run out, I'll go in with some flexi rods and finish off the back. Okay, just be creative and make it work. In the section that's off, I'm usually heavy-handed with my products, so I'll try to control myself. I'll take this amount. Then I'm gonna go in with the oil. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna seal that moisture with the oil. I'm gonna just apply some to my scalp as well. Show the scalp some love and massage that into the scalp. And my edges. I'm gonna take this section and just 2-strand twist. I'm just gonna take a gray roller. I could have did the purple, but like I said, I don't have many. And I'm gonna twist going up. Make sure to not twist it too tight on your, once you get up here to your scalp, because you don't want to have a headache or pull your edges out, you know? First I wrap the ends around itself and then I start to twist, not around the twist, but progressing up, if that makes sense, y'all. I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain, but hopefully you can see exactly what I'm doing, because I want the twist to be kind of spirally, you know what I mean? Making sure to get the ends especially. Take a couple of drops of oil and seal the product in. Y'all, this makes my hair super soft. I'm just gonna go in with a comb and just show you guys. I don't even really have to detangle. Makes the hair super soft. Yeah. Alright y'all, I made it. I did have enough perm rod, so yeah, I'm happy. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. I didn't do the sections too small or too big. I feel like these are like medium. The back might be big. Yeah, I think I did the back section big because I didn't know if I would have enough rods. So this is what the back is looking like. I'm gonna let these dry and set overnight, and I'll be back tomorrow with the takedown. It is the next morning. My hair is completely dry and I'm ready to take this down. I'm gonna just take some oil and put it in my hands as I take down the rollers and not the rollers, the rods, just to prevent as much frizz as possible. And this is the curl that I was looking for, like the spiral curls, not the scrunched up curls, if that makes sense, okay? And as you can see, as I take these down, all I do is unsnap and literally just pull. Easy. And my hair is completely dry. Now I'm just gonna undo the twist and also start separating my hair. My hair is super soft, y'all. This is the best my twist and curl style has ever come out. I've done this style before. I've installed perm rods before, but this is the best it's ever looked and also the best it's ever felt. My hair is super soft, like pillow soft, like wow. I do think these products work really well with my hair type and also my hair texture, but I also think it's a combination of what I've been doing to keep my hair healthy. The rice water has been helping. It's not a hoax. This rice water thing really works. But yeah, I do love the way the melanin products absorbed in my hair, the way my hair absorbed the product. My hair is not looking thirsty. It is looking fluffy, healthy, soft. And I'm loving it, y'all. Now if you're looking for a product that's gonna give you that crunchy, super tight hold, this is not the product for you. This is more like a, you know, if you want your hair to like swing and you want it to breathe and it's not too heavy of a product, then that's what I would recommend, the styling product. The oil, I absolutely love the oil. I think I'm gonna, you know, use this oil going forward for my scalp along with my Jamaican black castor oil. Leaves your hair super shiny and it's not like a greasy shiny. And another thing about this styling cream and the oil is that it doesn't weigh your hair down. My hair feels so light. And you know, I'm heavy-handed with products. I must admit, but I haven't experienced any white residue and it just leaves it super fluffy and soft. Now the only con that I can say with these two products is that it's a little pricey. And shipping was like $10. I was like, woo. $10. All right, so for both the oil and the styling product, I spent like about $44, $48 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was up there and I was like, ugh. But you know what, this is gonna last a long time because you do get a lot of product. And like, look at this, all of this oil that I will be incorporating into my hair regimen. All right guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you haven't done so, please follow me on all of my social media, especially Instagram, because I am posting Insta stories and daily updates with what's going on with me and my life, my hair, my makeup, etc. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys can know and be notified notified when I do upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Until next time, bye.